Hello, this is Joe from Ohio Tool Description, and today I will be talking about adjustable wrenches. Today we're looking at a bunch of wrenches, different size. Some have some insulation on the handle, others don't. They're chromed, and how they work is you take your bolt or your square, take your bolt or something, nuts, bolts, square, anything square has sides on it. And what you do is you take it, and as you see right here, there's a screw. And what this does is it opens up the jaws. We'll do this, I'll make it slow. We'll close it up, open it back up. And what you want to do, you want to take your wrench here, your adjustable wrench, and you place it on over it like so. See how it catches the sides? Then you tighten it back up. Now it's attached and it's tight. Now, the way to use these is as you have already adjusted it to the size of the bolt. Now what you want to do is you want to turn it. You want to put the pressure on this side over here, not on this side. As you see, it loosens up when you turn it the other way. And that's how you use that. Now I have a couple different sizes here. I have a larger one, smaller one, and these holes here are so you can put like a string on them, so they can be tied to your belt or whatever if you're working overhead. Different brands. We have a Crescent, Great Neck, another Craftsman, a Stanley. This one's not marked. And I also keep one of these as an adjustable wrench as well. Now this is a rigid pipe wrench. I use this when I get the bolts that are really heavy, that are really frozen or rusted tight. So same principle. The only difference is we open this up. This is adjusted here on this little thumb screw, and that opens that. And what this does is, because these teeth are super serrated, they grab into cut into the metal. So it's you get a little bit more torque, let's say, and less chance of it slipping off. See, like on these, you see these adjustable wrenches, they're smooth. There's no teeth or anything. Well, there's a little bit, but not much. For this one, your pipe wrench, it's got some serious serrations on it, and they're actually cut back too. So it'll go on there, and you get a lot more torque, or the ability to turn the bolt, nut, or screw or whatever. And this is how you adjust it. We're going to adjust it down on this. Now, as you see, something else, you need to put it all the way back as far as possible. Now, the pipe wrench will actually dig into the metal and give you better leverage to get it out. These are the adjustable wrenches that I use every day. If you have any questions, please write them below. Give me a thumbs up and a like. You guys have a great day.